part 2 of making slime. This has gone wrong. This slime got on my pajama clothes. I kind of got some off. I put Activate on and it kind of got some off, but I need to put a tiny bit more. In an hour, I'm really gonna eat, and it's been almost an hour. I only got like half an hour right now. It's coming off. I got it all, yay! Dump slime, dump. I accidentally hit the activator, but I should have hit the slime. Bro, it just flicked at me, got on me again, but it didn't get on me because, you know what? I should have done that. Okay, now you want to touch. This slime is my enemy. Get on me and then stick on there. Actually, let me make it very, very activated and see if the hot warm water would do it. Job. I don't know what kind of evil laugh was that, but that seems enough. This is overflowed with water. I mean activator. It's technically the same thing. Just put stuff in it. If this bubble pops right here, that means all the activator stuff is gonna come out. Come. I can see it. I'm gonna put you right here. Okay. I'm gonna pop it. 3, 2, 1. This tiny piece. Now we mix. This is getting grippy. I mean whippy. Time for warm water. Okay, put water on. Oh. Okay, this is warm. Okay, put warm water on it. Let's see. What? Come on. Sit. How about the stick test? That is hot water. Oh, it's good in my head, kind of. But it's not fixing my slime. Seems like it's fixing my slime. It's kind of just melting it and it's going back together. When you make it in the summer, when the leaves go down. Okay, that's enough. It did not work. Let's go put this away. It's nasty now. Just do that type of rules. In this corner, one heavy. Boom, boom, boom. Let's wash our hands. Party in the area, party in the area, party in the area. Oh, 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 Ow, dance, my head above my head, like Jesus. Call me when you want, call me when you, oh. That was crazy. Oh, I gotta wait for you. And oh, tripping. Got a secret, can you keep it? And I wanna see. Gonna lock it in your pocket, and then this one is clean. Pocket, and then this one I see. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na. And it's all my peachy babies. Never trust that. This has gone wrong. Got a secret, can you keep? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Even though I just did it like 1 second ago. I still feel like I have slime on my hands. Let's wash them. First you want to get dish soap. At least like 5 pumps. 1 pump of lotion. Then 3 pumps of hand soap. 1, 2, 2, 3. And it should look like that. And pour it like that. And it has to be clear when you pour it. Which it is. Now you wash it like this. Well, that's not how I do it. Then wash it. And then it should be looking like this light blue. Then you press that. Then press this. So turn to that tiny strip. Then press it up. And then there. Mist. Instead of Jack. Jack. So just wondering, what did you get for Christmas? I got an electric scooter. It was so fun to ride on yesterday. I was scared when I first tried to ride on it, but now I'm not. I'm riding on it too. Well, when my dad comes home, he's at work right now. And my mom is home. So my dad is at work and my mom is home. My mom don't need to show her face on YouTube. Can't you believe it? Like, why? That did not come from me, okay? That did not come from me. Okay, let's take a look at the plants. Okay. And the mom has one of green. Oh. This. Oh! I kind of used this. And it fell on the floor. Okay. Oh, wait, I don't like to touch the I don't like. Wait, hey, yo. Is it like flying? Or what is that? How is that even possible? Oh, it fell. It said, I'm not touching you no more. Okay, let's check out this plant. Yeah, I'm not touching that or I'm gonna leave. Got a secret. Can you keep it? Okay, let's play some Among Us. Even though it's about a slime tutorial. Actually, we're not playing it. Oops. You know the drill. Like and subscribe. Like the video if you like it. And subscribe if you like my whole channel. Bye, guys.